Hi, and welcome to Tech School with eevi. My name is Daryl, and I'm here to tell you a little about the eevi Gateway. This is a powerful device designed to provide you emergency support at the push of a button. So that you feel comfortable with using this in the event of an emergency, there are a few key points to get you across. In this session, we're going to cover device features, in the event of an emergency, and device maintenance. Let's get started. First of all, your device should be switched on at all times in an area of your home with good signal strength. It's important also to choose a location in your house where you spend the most time. Maybe your kitchen, your living room, or your bedroom. Your gateway has 4 buttons on the top of the device. Starting from left to right, the red help button raises the alarm. The green button pairs accessories and is for updates by the eevi team. The sound can be increased or decreased by pressing the sound button. Please be aware that this will only affect the loudness of the gateway system messages, such as your alarm has been triggered, sent and acknowledged, low battery, or power unplugged. It does not adjust the loudness of the operator speaking to you or the level that the operator hears on their side. Finally, the brightness can be increased or decreased by pressing the brightness button. To raise the alarm on the device, follow these 3 simple steps. In an emergency at home, press the red help button, or hold the pendant button for 1 to 3 seconds until you hear the siren sound. Wait for a connection to our 24/7 emergency help with an eevi operator. The operator will answer your call via 2-way communication to triage your emergency. Please note, communication is through the gateway and not the pendant. There is a no voice protocol that is in place with your device. This means that if you can hear the operator but they can't hear you, or if you can't speak to get assistance, the protocol will be engaged and ambulance services will be sent. If you have provided prior consent, your emergency contacts will also be alerted. If you have accidentally raised the alarm, don't worry, let the call go through to the operator and advise that you are completing a test call. Your device has 5 icon lights that can flash a variety of colors at any given time to signal the health of your device. Starting from left to right, the first icon signals mains power. The second, mobile connectivity. The third, pendant battery. The fourth, pendant signal. And the 5th, alarm alert. For a general rule of thumb, when device lights are green, this signals good device health. If you notice a change in these colors to orange or red, please contact eevi or your village manager. We recommend you keep your pendant on you at all times in your home. When you leave home, hang the pendant somewhere near the front door or garage so it's easy to find. The pendant is waterproof, so you can also wear it or hang it in the shower for convenience. Taking the pendant away from your home will deplete the battery and may result in the need for an early replacement. eevi is notified by the gateway when this happens, alerting those in your community of care. These are the main points to know about your eevi gateway. For further help, please contact our eevi Care support team. We hope you enjoyed the peace of mind that comes with having eevi, care by your side.